sorry, number 83. We did everything we could.
Can we at least see him?
Well, of course you can, but I must warn you. He is, well, very hard to be looking at right now.
Patty, are you okay?
No! Don't look at me!
I'm hideous.
Yes, you are. Every year, thousands of dads try to cut their kids' hair instead of taking them to a real barber shop. We here at Kids Next Door Hairstyle Headquarters can try to style it back to some kind of coolness, but sometimes it's just too late.
Well, it doesn't look that bad, Patty.
Yes, it does, and you know it.
There he
Oh, this is so confusing for me.
Those Kids Next Door stylists wanted to rub dog poop on my head to see if it'd grow my hair back. Of all the crazy, ridiculous, leaping lassies! What did they do to you? It wasn't them. It was my dad. I used to have great hair, really cool hair, and then he had to go and cut it. I completely understand. I used to have really cool hair, too. You did? Yes, a long time ago. Before I was even in the Kids Next Door. At least yours will grow back. Mine is gone. Forever. I guess you're right. I just feel bad for my little brother. He must be freaking out right now. Your brother? Yeah, Shawnee. Dad said he was gonna cut his hair first thing tomorrow morning.
But that's only in a couple of hours.
Well, no kid's getting a bad haircut on my watch, but I'm going to need your help. Numbers, sectors.
Number 83, sir. Soda Snacks and Treats Officer, Sector W. Number 84, sir. Tactical Yo-Yo Specialist, Sector W.
Number 85, sir. Freak show of Sector W. Listen, Patty, you stay here and save your energy. You're going to need it to deal with everyone making fun of your hair. In the meantime, the rest of us will rescue your brother before he goes under the shears. I don't know. My dad's kind of a sorehead. And if you wake up my sister, forget it. She's worse than him. I've yet to meet an adult or older sister the Kids Next Door couldn't handle.